Okay, today we're going to talk about 5 things that makes your business look cheap. Let's get right into it. The first thing that makes your business look cheap, and we all know that we're trying to get customers that are looking for quality and not just the lowest price, so that's why we're doing this video. But number 1 is every single post on your social media is a salesy post asking for business and or discounting your prices or giving discounts or coupons. This makes you sound desperate. It makes your business sound needy, and it makes your business sound cheap. So what you should do instead is post content that is educational, whether it's pictures or videos, and those are things I can help out with. The second thing that makes your business look cheap is that you have a Gmail email account for the business account. You should always have some kind of an account, whether it's info at or contact at, and then your actual website for the domain of the email address. So for instance, instead of my email address being marketwithmario@gmail.com, it's mario@marketwithmario.com. If you have a Gmail account, your business looks cheap. I hate to break it to you. The third thing is you have a bad website, meaning it takes forever to load, or it's one page. It looks like you built it overnight. Nothing against, GoDaddy. I'm not trying to name drop or anything like that, but if you just put together a website really quick, your business looks cheap. Invest in your website, because people who are willing to pay for quality are absolutely going to be checking out your website. So it needs to load quickly. It needs to look good on a mobile device, things of that nature. So make sure you're investing in your website. The fourth thing is you're using magnets on your trucks. Now let me be very clear. I'm not suggesting that you go overboard and get these, crazy wraps that make your truck really loud looking. In fact, I think that if you have if you're overly wrapped, it's almost like that really loud guy is the most insecure guy. And so just something subtle, in fact, I would even opt to have your trucks to have them blank as opposed to a magnet. The reason why the magnets look so cheap is it's very hard to put them on straight. And so if you have a crooked magnet, and you're a contractor, it just kind of makes your whole operation look a little janky. Sorry about the lighting. Let me fix this. So this is another tip. You always want to have the sun in your face. That gives you some good face lighting. So again, on the magnet thing, I'm just being picky. Just invest in someone to put your logo and your phone number and things like that on your truck. Do not use these magnets. In my opinion, this is just me, makes you look cheap. And then lastly, what makes you look cheap is if the phone number on your website and your social media goes to you, the owner, your business looks cheap. People don't need to be able to get to you directly. You should have someone who answers the phone. And if you're a one-person operation, that's okay. There's several businesses that offer phone answering services. It does two things. It gives you the perception of being a quality company because the owner is not answering the phone, number one. Number two, you as the owner cannot get all the phone calls. So the problem here is if you miss a phone call in business, it's death. So you have to have some kind of an answering service to always answer your phones. Ideally, I would like to have you have someone that's a team member of yours that's actually answering the phone, but it cannot be you being the direct line of communication. That's automatically going to send a signal that your business is probably going to give one of the cheaper bids. These are all of my opinions. You can roast me if you want to, but I'm promising you these little tweaks right here is going to help attract you a higher end customer. If you do need help with the video part of it, I love shooting videos with my clients. I meet them at their job site. I'm shooting videos of them doing the work. I post it to their Facebook. I'm gonna let this truck go by, it's very loud. I posted to their Facebook page and to the YouTube channel, and it really helps to show off the quality of their business, and it shows homeowners why their bid may be a little more expensive than others. So if you're doing any of these 5 things, I can help you with the videos, but I also have contacts in truck wrapping and phone answering services, in IT that can help you switch over from to Gmail, and obviously I have people that know how to build really high quality websites. So hit me up, and I'd love to help on the videos. Take care.